Have you ever trusted a health service so much, only to later wonder if it caused more harm than good? This is the story of a 78-year-old woman in Singapore who ended up in the ICU, and her family's desperate search for answers after a costly traditional Chinese medicine treatment. Stick around as we unravel this gripping story. You won't believe the twists and turns. It all began when the woman's son, Mr. Liu, discovered her in a comatose state on November 10. Rushing her to the hospital, doctors diagnosed gastrointestinal bleeding, a condition severe enough to require emergency surgery and an admission to the ICU. But here's the shocking twist: the family discovered receipts indicating she had spent over 17,000 Singapore dollars at a TCM center, including a mysterious 15,000 Singapore dollars special skills required package. What could this package involve, and why did it leave her bedridden? The plot thickens. The family contacted the TCM center to request the details of a medical paste applied during her therapy, but the center refused to disclose the ingredients, citing confidentiality. This raises a pressing question: shouldn't patients have the right to know what treatments are being used on them, especially when their health deteriorates? What are your thoughts on this? Adding to the mystery, the woman had always been relatively healthy, except for occasional knee aches. Her son shared that the treatment included massages on her back and legs with the medicinal paste. Strangely, she felt more awake when it was applied. Could there have been harmful substances in the paste? Some suspect it might have contained steroids, which a doctor noted could cause issues like gastric acid influx, potentially leading to gastrointestinal bleeding. Interestingly, a TCM practitioner commented that overusing herbal pastes or stimulating certain acupuncture points could worsen existing health conditions. This leaves us wondering, how much regulation is there in these treatments? Should authorities tighten their oversight on such expensive and potentially dangerous practices? Here's another layer to this controversy. The police referred the case to the Traditional Chinese Medicine Practitioners Board, which oversees professional ethics and conduct. But the board's response? They require a formal complaint and statutory declaration before taking action. Is this enough, or should there be stricter protections for consumers? The TCM Center did offer a partial refund of 4,000 Singapore dollars, but is that really fair compensation for the immense physical and emotional toll on this family? The woman's children are calling for transparency, and their story highlights the need for stronger consumer protections in the TCM industry. Now it's your turn. What do you think? Should TCM centers be more transparent about their treatments, or is their claim of confidentiality justified? And do you believe the family should pursue legal action? Let us know in the comments below, and while you're at it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to 2230 for more in-depth stories that keep you thinking.